Hey, I'm Paul Butler. I'm one of the client partners at New Leaf Training and Development, and I'm so delighted to be joined by Janie Honeycutt. Janie, this program, Time Management, can you tell us what that's all about and what the benefits are for the participants?
Absolutely. I am just thrilled and excited to be able to bring this particular topic, this session on time management to the participants because it's such a critical component to the overall health and really the well-being of organizations and teams. And let's be real, time management is still one of the most Googled professional development subjects today. It hasn't gone away, and I think it will continue to, as we said, continue to be important and a topic of discussion whenever you're dealing with teams and team dynamics. So even in this wonderful world of technology that we live in today, we have an abundance of planning systems and tools that are readily available at our fingertips, but we still haven't quite yet mastered the art of managing time. So I think this seminar is so important, and it's based on taking a really simple common sense approach to a very well-known time management problems that exist in organizations today. And it will also help introduce participants to methods that really work in today's work environments. And one of the principal fundamentals around this particular program is quite simple, Paul. It's time is precious, as we all know. It's a precious resource. So why not? Let's ensure that we're using it wisely and the best to our ability.
Brilliant. Janie, obviously I know you well, but for people that don't know you well, what's your credibility to facilitate this subject of time management?
Yeah, I have been in leadership development for well over 20 years. And this particular program, teaching programs just like this, I've facilitated well over 200 plus programs. And specifically, time management is one of those that continues to be a sought after topic for our clients. So I have worked across various industries, helping clients to just really be able to work and focus with their teams to be successful in within their team dynamics as well as at the individual level. In particular, this program continues to be a need in organizations, and so I just find it, it's one of those that I continue to, really look forward to any opportunity to bring this type of topic to teams as well as organizations.
Thanks, Janie. Janie, whenever I've sat in professional development sessions, I always like to connect with the facilitator. So could you let us into your world a little bit for those that don't know you? Who's Janie Honeycutt?
Yeah, absolutely. And I really appreciate, this opportunity. When I'm not working, I have, a number of different hobbies that I'm involved in. I am a proud mom and a wife. My husband and I have been married since 1994. So we started quite young. We have two grown children who are just doing fantastic in their lives. They're adults. I still call them children. They will always be our children. But they both reside on the East Coast. My husband and I reside on the West Coast. So we, really try to make that work and go visit them whenever we can. When we're not traveling to see our kids, we love to travel. We love to explore new areas of the world. And in particular, we love to explore new foods. So we, I think, call ourselves not quite foodies, but we enjoy it. And in addition to that, I also have been involved for the last 6 years in competitive ballroom Latin dancing, which is a great, wonderful way for me to just sort of, get out of the workspace, get out of kind of the roles and responsibilities as a mom, and do something that I enjoy. So I've enjoyed that. And then I also lead a women's ministry Bible study group at my local church and have been involved in that for almost 6 years now as well. So, I just always have my hand somewhere and, just certainly appreciate the opportunity. And I look forward to meeting the participants.
Well, Janie, thanks ever so much for taking a few minutes with us today. It sounds like this program with your background is going to be of great service to this organization. So thanks ever so much, Janie.
Wonderful. Thank you, Paul. Take care.